All right, Miles. Is Daddy taking off the screws? Are we going to see what Grandpa Dave made for you? What do you think, Miles?
What is it?
Let's see.
Wow. Whoa.
Say, take the lid off, Dad. We want to see.
It's pretty cool.
Miles, oh my goodness. What is that?
Wow.
Miles?
What is that?
Motorcycle.
Wow,
Is it a motorcycle?
Uncle Dave made you, or Grandpa Dave made you a motorcycle. Wow.
Heavy, heavy.
It probably is
Yeah,
heavy.
I think it is heavy.
Quiet, quiet.
You want to
You
ride
wanna
it?
ride it?
Let Daddy take it out, okay?
Take out.
Yeah, my dad sent me directions.
Quiet, quiet,
Oh, I bet you do want to ride it.
quiet.
Yeah, I'll take
Quiet.
the screws
Wow,
on the side off.
Miles, look.
We'll take the screws on the side off.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Is that neato? Okay.
Here, let's back off for just a second. Hold on. Get out of Daddy's way. It's heavy.
Back off, back off, back off, back off.